Umaasa ang Office of the Presidential Advisor on the Peace Process na ipapasa ng mga mambabatas sa lalong madaling panahon ang panukalang Bangsamoro Basic Law. Ayon kay OPAP Undersecretary Maria Cleofe Sandoval, ang pagsasabatas ng BBL ang magiging kontribusyon ng sangay ng lehislatura sa pagsusulong ng pangmatagalang kapayapaan sa Mindanao. Bukod dito, kailangan rin umano ang puspusang information dissemination ukol sa panukalang batas upang higit itong maunawaan ng publiko. Samantala, sinugun ng opisyal ng pahayag ng Peace Council na naayon sa saligang batas ang panukalang BBL.
We hope that eventually Congress will pass. No? Of course, there are representatives who want clarifications, who have concerns on certain provisions. No? But as we always say, that is the reason why we are presenting, the BBL is presented to Congress. Because with the legislative power of Congress, it should be exercised. And they are part of the whole peace-building process. No? And yung as the Peace Council said, no, yung the one led by Cardinal Tagle, that the legislators should see themselves as part of a continuum. Yung paghahanap natin ng kapayapaan, may mahalagang papel yung mga mambabatas dito sa BBL na ito.